My name is Aaron, and I'm a poet and cartoonist. And I'm on social media trying to become a social media person. All right. And the video today is about being organized. And I have a really simple system. I've used it for big chunks of my life, and I like it the most. But I have tried other things. Okay. So, for example, I've, of course, done Microsoft Teams, and I hate it. I have used Canvas as a teacher, and I hate it. I have used Notion while in graduate school and as a teacher, and I hate it. I've used Todoist, which is pretty simple and it's okay, but I'm not a huge fan of it. And for 20 years, 25 years of my life, I was thumping, a Franklin planner. And man, I despise that system. It's mostly because I overused it. And I worked for a number of large corporations back in the day, and what they want you to do with the planner is obscene, practically immoral. So, since I still have a regular job, I don't want to use um, my hobby that I want to become a big thing, a nicer thing, to eat up a big chunk of my life. And I don't want productivity tools to eat up a big chunk of my life learning how to use them when I have a system that works fine. So let me show you what I do. This is a rolling to-do list. Okay. I wrote it up last night, and then life got ahead of me, and I wasn't able to finish it all last night and this morning. But now I can get back to doing it, and like making the video for now is on this thing. Look, if you look down at the bottom, it says record YouTube 4-minute video for 5:30, and then edit and post. So there you go. You can see that everything that I want to do regarding what I'm doing is here on my rolling to-do list. And I have a priority list on the side, which I've sort of been following, but if something comes up like the record the video, then I jump ahead and I do that. And the reason I like doing a rolling to-do list like this is because I have the flexibility to choose what order things are going to happen in it. And sometimes I just go out of order. Like I'll set up an order and then I'll change it. And I'll do this, rolling to-do list for a couple of days, 2, 3 days, and then I'll stop, take a look at what I've gotten done. Hopefully I've gotten most of the things done that I needed to, and then I'll rewrite it. And it doesn't take long to rewrite it, maybe 30 minutes. And then I just carry it around with me. And when I have a moment to do something, then I pull out my, the rolling to-do list and I do it. And it helps me stay organized. And that way, I'm not expending too much mental energy keeping track of things rather than creating. Because creating takes a lot of mental energy, and staying organized can dominate your life if you allow it. And, that's what employers like to do. They like you to stay busy just being busy rather than producing quite often. And that's how I feel about Microsoft Teams. What a nightmare tool. Whoever thought of that idea needs to have their head examined. So anyway, there you go. My productivity tool as a poet and cartoonist is a rolling to-do list. All of those other tools can go suck it. You guys have fun.